Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to insert PDF file in Word. So let's get started. So if you're trying to insert a PDF file in Word, now to do that what you have to do is follow some easy steps. First, what you can do is just simply open up your Word, and after opening up your Word, from here you can just simply create a new project or just select the existing project where you want to add that PDF file to. So I'll just simply go ahead and then create a new project, and after creating one, from here what you have to do is just simply select the place where you want to add that PDF file. So for example, I would like to add the PDF file over here. So what I'll do is just simply go over there, and from here what I can do is just simply tap on insert option, which is on the top of my screen. Just tap on insert, and after tapping on insert, now you'll find object option, which is on the top left. Just tap on object and then tap on create from file, and inside here you just have to tap on browse and then select your PDF file. So you can select any PDF file and then tap on insert. After tapping on insert, now just tap on OK and your PDF file will be added. So here you can see guys, the PDF file has been successfully added. Now no one can edit this file, so you can also go ahead and then add it, and you can just simply resize it and place it somewhere that you like. So that's it guys, this is how to add PDF file in Word document. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.